how to use Emergency SOS on iPhone. Hey everyone! So to use Emergency SOS feature, it's super easy, but it can be a lifesaver in critical situations. So first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your settings and then scroll down until you find Emergency SOS. Now, there are a couple ways to initiate Emergency SOS. The first method is to toggle on Call with Hold and Release. This is to hold and release the side button along with the power button, and this will bring up the option to slide to call emergency services. Alternatively, you can also enable call with 5 button presses. This is a quick way to rapidly click your side button 5 times and get help when you need it. You can also turn on call quietly if you don't want your phone to announce that it's calling for help. Another option is to set your emergency contacts to your mom, dad, your friend, and anyone else that you can directly call when you're in emergency. And that's it. If you like watching our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.